Hi, apparently Benefit is the only beauty brand to make a profit in 2019. For a while now, they've been concentrating on brow products, although they do have, blushes and bronzers and face products as well. But, they've been focusing on brow products, so they've owned the brow game, as it were. Anastasia Beverly Hills used to own the brow game, but, they've since started concentrating on palettes, and more palettes. So the brow game is now owned by Benefit, and my absolute favorite eyebrow product is Benefit's Gimme Brow, the gel. As you can see, I have backups of backups. So recently, they launched a brow product called the Brow Styler, which retails at £29 and comes in 8 shades. And I picked the shade 5, which says that it is warm black brown. Sorry, I've been swatching all day. So yeah. My shade in Gimme Brow for reference is 5, and my shade in Goof Proof is 6. About my brows for a second, they're not sisters, they're very, very distant relations who haven't seen each other in forever. They're not matchy at all. I don't have an arch, I cannot get an arch no matter what I do. And I'm happy with my brows though, despite all of this, because, they're dark enough, they're not extremely thin and, sparse or scanty. I can get away without wearing eyebrow makeup, especially if I'm not wearing much by way of eye makeup. If I'm not having a bold eye, my brows can be bare. I'm happy. So yeah, eyebrows, the one feature that I'm not completely mad at about my face. So this one comes in packaging that looks like this. And you get a pencil at one end and a powder at the other. And I'll show you what that's like. This is a pencil. Right, I've been swatching all day. Anyway, this is a pencil, which is very like the Goof Proof pencil. And this end has a powder. Let me find some space where I can swatch that powder. That's quite dark. Now, the pencil is 0.3 grams. 0.3 grams of the pencil and 0.75 grams of the powder. In Goof Proof, you get 0.34 grams of the pencil and that's it, no powder. So, in my opinion, rather than go for Goof Proof, go for Brow Styler, because you get the same size, almost the same quantity of the pencil, and you also get the powder. Best way to review this product is by doing demos. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do Gimme Brow on this side and just the pencil side of Brow Styler on this side, and then we'll compare the two. So first I'm going to go in with Gimme Brow, shade 5, on this eyebrow. Now with Gimme Brow, this is very easy to control it. The result is a natural look, and it's thicker obviously, but it's still not, Instagram brows. And it's, for me, it's definitely easy to control. I know I'm a klutzy person. I find it very easy to apply Gimme Brow. So on this side, I'm going to go in with the Brow Styler. Now, one good thing about this is that, if there are areas where your brow isn't as thick as you would like, for instance, this part here, you can, fill up that part with this tip. That's nice. Now, if you want Instagram brows, as I told you, the Brow Styler is the way to go. This one's darker, but it looks like I've done something to my brows. Now, if I apply the powder on top, the result is going to be very, very thick. So I'm going to spread that out a bit with a spoolie. Now if you look here, there's a couple of, places where there's, a gap between the hairs. So filling that becomes easier with this sort of pencil. You can also use that powder tip for precision work, but I'll demo the powder in a bit. Hang on. Right, now this one I feel looks natural. This one is more Instagram, sort of sharper, darker. It's preference, for special occasions I wouldn't mind looking like that. For daily wear, I wouldn't mind looking like this. That's how it is. So Gimme Brow is more natural, is lighter, is subtler, is ideal for an everyday look. The pencil is stronger, but the pencil is better for precision work. If you have places where, the hairs are a bit sparse, or, where it's a bit scanty, where you can see your brow bone or your skin, then the pencil's better for filling up those areas. But, for an everyday look, I prefer Gimme Brow. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with both the pencil and the powder, just Brow Styler on both brows. All right, so that is a strong brow. That is a much stronger brow than Gimme Brow. I feel that it is less forgiving if you make mistakes. With Gimme Brow, you can actually make mistakes. However, this is nicer for special occasions when you want a strong brow game, when you want Instagram brows. And, also for travel, just pop this in. No need to faff about with gel and so on. Just twist, apply the pencil, leave. Faster. Also, despite these giving a stronger brow, I feel that this is not, overkill or in your face or visible from the moon with your naked eyebrows. It's still, lighter. I mean, not, sharpy eyebrows or not unnatural, completely over the top. It is definitely stronger than Gimme Brow, the Brow Styler. But it is not, in your face overkill. That's completely unnatural. Oh my God, what have you done to your eyebrow? Yes. It looks like you filled in your eyebrow, yes, that Brow Styler does, but it's still not, sharpy eyebrows or anything. This, on the other hand, natural look. People can't even tell that I've actually done my eyebrows. So I prefer Gimme Brow for an everyday look and the Brow Styler for special occasions. That said, this one I like better than Goof Proof because, you know, you get the same amount of pencil and you also get a powder if you want a stronger brow. So by itself, the pencil isn't too bad. It's quick, it's handy, it's precise, does the job nicely. And, you know, if you add the powder on top, that's very, very, very strong. So those are my thoughts on the Benefit Brow Styler. Which is your favorite brow product? Do tell me in the comments below. I would love to know where to buy this and where to buy Gimme Brow. I will link in the description box below. Affiliate links, they ship worldwide. Feel free to ignore any discount codes that I come across will be added there as well. So this is nice if you want a stronger brow game than the Gimme Brow. Gimme Brow is great for a very natural everyday look. That said, you know, I've heard that the Gimme Brow isn't very good if you have sparse eyebrows, if you have places that need filling up, you know, if you want precision work, this one's much better. And I feel that the powder is very precise as well. The tip is a lot more precise than the spoolie that you get with your eyebrow gel that is Gimme Brow. So this way, you know, more precision. So I feel the Benefits come up with something that's very innovative here, you know, powder and a pencil. So if you want, you know, precision work done, if you want a very strong brow, this is the way to go. If you want a natural, subtle, everyday look, and if you don't have sparse areas or patchy brows, Gimme Brow. If you have patchy areas, something that needs precision filling up, something that if you want a stronger brow game, Brow Styler. So that's all from me for today. Thank you for watching this video. Please do give me a thumbs up. Please do hit the subscribe button. Please do ring the notifications bell. I will speak to you soon.